Introducing the 7th texture within the ELEMIS cleansing library, Smart Cleanse Micellar Water. Micellar is a cluster of molecules which attract both oil and water-based dirt and impurities, delivering a highly effective deep cleansing action but with a very soothing effect. Ophthalmologists tested Smart Cleanse Micellar Water can be used on both the face and eye area to remove impurities, daily dirt and grime, and makeup. It's also a perfect alternative to soap and water or facial wipes. It's the no water cleanse. It is suitable for all skin types, but because of the beautiful rose ingredient, is also ideal for even the most sensitive of complexions. To apply, soak cotton pads in the Smart Cleanse Micellar Water and apply in an upward sweeping motion following the contours of the face and eye area. This product can be used both morning and evening and is perfect as the first step of a double cleanse.